a smile through the raging tides in the stormy wind.
Are the sounds of war, like a child she would learn to get a hold of freedom. Let all who hear the sound of jubilation. Yoga, yoga, yeah. Yoga, yoga, yeah. Ugandan jubilation. Yoga, yoga, yeah, yeah. Hear the sound of jubilation. Yoga, yoga, yeah. Yoga, yoga, yeah. Ugandan jubilation. Yoga, yoga, yeah. Hear the sound of jubilation. Jubilation, Ugandan jubilation, yeah, yeah. All relations rise to the beat of the drum. Let the rhythms play, jubilation. Let our heart and our spirit join us all as one. There's nothing stronger when a nation stands. Hear the sound of jubilation. Yoga, yoga, yeah. Yoga, yoga, yeah. Ugandan jubilation. I see Uganda gaining not just what she lost but more. A nation built in faith and trust in God of Abraham. On our knees we pray for grace and mercy. Lead us not into temptation but into the land you promised. God, we're here. Bless Uganda. Bless our hearts and bless the nation.
It's not about the colors on the surface. It goes beyond the land that I have trodden.
It goes before me everywhere I go. Yeah, yeah. It's in the way I live and walk and talk.
Of a nation is living in me. It's the voice of the power in me, and now I hear it. Call to me, teach me how to be like you. Instill your ways, in me, heal me, and teach me how to be you, Ugandan, so I can stand and proudly say that I am Ugandan. I am Ugandan. I'm a child
find me.
A heart of truth and justice I will crave. My heart and soul